Hello, everybody. Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well today. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you, inspire you, motivate you, and encourage you to great successes on your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And today's subject is one you probably have never heard about, but it's very useful in terms of gaining insight into your keto journey. And that is called SWOT analysis. Yes, conducting a SWOT analysis. And that's analyzing your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats that could derail your progress. Those four elements are very helpful in terms of finding out and gaining insight into your keto journey in order to be successful and to have a sustaining keto lifestyle. So we'll talk about that today. Embarking on the ketogenic lifestyle can be very exciting, yet can be a challenging journey, as you well know. Whether you're a seasoned keto follower or considering it for the first time, considering a SWOT, SWOT analysis, evaluating your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats, things that can derail you, can provide you with a very clear and strategic approach to your success. It provides you insights into your own dynamics. This analysis helps identify personal traits, environmental factors, and potential obstacles so you can navigate the ketogenic path with confidence. Now, let's talk about the strengths. What do you bring to the table as an individual? Well, strengths are personal attributes and resources that will support and lend positive things to your keto journey. Consider your current lifestyle, mindset, skills, and any other established routines that can help you succeed. First, number one, discipline and motivation is very key. If you have strong self-discipline or past experience with structured diet and meal plans, you'll have an advantage when sticking to the ketogenic lifestyle and diet and its specific guidelines. Number two, cooking skills and knowledge. Familiarity with cooking low-carb meals or the ability to adapt recipes can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable for you. 3, access to resources. Having a network of keto-focused resources like cookbooks, online recipes, and supportive communities can make sticking to your keto goals easier. Reflecting on these strengths that you have and considering how you can leverage them for success is very important. They are your foundation, providing the resilience you'll need to stay consistent. Now, let's speak about weaknesses that might crop up, acknowledging your challenges. Now, these are typically very internal kinds of things. Weaknesses are internal factors that may hinder your progress. Now, being honest about these will help you prepare and find ways to manage potential setbacks. Number one, for example, cravings for carbs. If you have a strong craving for high-carb foods, keto might feel very restrictive at first. Acknowledging this can motivate you to find low-carb substitutes that curb cravings. And again, we're talking about gaining insight into your own dynamics that can create a positive force for you. Number 2, time constraints for meal prep. Now, keto meals often require planning and preparation. A busy schedule might make it hard to avoid convenience foods that aren't keto-friendly, so you might have that as a weak area that you need to work on continually. Number 3, a lack of knowledge. If you're just starting out, understanding the specific nutrient breakdowns and macronutrient tracking can seem overwhelming at first. So these are the areas that could be weaknesses for people starting out in keto, but they can be overcome, certainly with effort and insights. Identifying your weaknesses allows you to strategize ahead of time. For example, if time is a challenge, try batch cooking keto meals on weekends so that you'll be set for the entire week. Now let's speak about opportunities. What can we gain or explore from opportunities with keto? Opportunities are the external factors that can enhance your experience and deepen your commitment to keto. They are the resources and situations that can work to your advantage and are very positive. For example, like number 1, learning new recipes and techniques. Keto typically opens the door to experimenting with new flavors, ingredients, and culinary techniques that can make healthier eating more enjoyable and sustainable. Number 2, access to supportive communities. Online groups, social media pages, and local keto meetups provide motivation, recipe ideas, and accountability. Being part of a community can increase your commitment to the lifestyle. Number 3, health improvements. The keto lifestyle has the potential to reduce inflammation, improve energy levels, mental clarity, and aid in weight loss. Keeping these health goals in mind can serve as strong motivators. Opportunities show you the potential rewards and pathways available. By tapping into these, you can enrich your experience and maximize the lifestyle's benefits. Now let's speak about the threats, things that can derail your progress. You have to be prepared for obstacles. Threats are external factors that might interfere with your keto progress. Identifying them in advance gives you the chance to prepare strategies and to counteract them. Number 1, what could be an obstacle? Well, number 1, maybe social pressures and temptations. Social events, family gatherings, and holidays can make sticking to keto challenging. Planning ahead by bringing keto-friendly dishes or speaking with hosts can help you stay on track. Number 2, perhaps misleading keto-friendly foods that we see at the grocery store could be an obstacle. Many products labeled keto can contain hidden sugars or carbs. They can overemphasize net carbs and not emphasize total carbs that we really need to abide by. Staying vigilant and reading labels closely can protect you from unknowingly hindering your progress. So we should always be observant to read food labels. Another thing that could hinder a person's progress and be discouraging are plateaus and stalls. At times you may not see progress on the scale, which can be discouraging. Understanding that plateaus are indeed a natural part of any diet journey will help you stay resilient and explore new strategies if needed. By assessing potential threats, or obstacles, you prepare yourself to face these challenges head on, reducing the chance that you'll derail your progress. And again, it comes with insight and experience as you go on with the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Now, in conclusion, your keto blueprint for success is something to always have on the front burner. A SWOT analysis, and again it's spelled SWOT, is a powerful tool for gaining a deeper understanding of your personal keto journey and obtaining insights into what really can enhance your path to sustainability and enjoyment by recognizing your strengths, tackling your weaknesses, seizing opportunities, and preparing for threats and obstacles. You can create a well-rounded approach to the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Embrace each part of the process and use this analysis as your personalized roadmap to make keto a long-term, sustainable, and enjoyable way of life. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.